In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Chrome as default browser. We'll walk through the quickest way to make Chrome your go-to browser on Windows, and then cover what to do if it doesn't seem to stick. By the end, links you open from apps and documents should launch in Chrome automatically. Start in Google Chrome. Open Chrome, then look to the top right corner for the three dots. Click that menu and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click Default Browser. On this page, you'll see an option labeled Make Default. Click it. Windows will open its settings window to confirm your choice. When you're asked to choose a default app for web browsing, select Google Chrome, then click Set Default. Give it a moment to apply. That's it. Chrome is now set as your default browser. If you test it by clicking a link from an email or a document, it should open in Chrome. If you prefer to set it up directly from Windows instead of starting in Chrome, you can do that too. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps. Find and select Google Chrome in the list and click Set Default. This tells Windows to use Chrome for opening web links and related web files, so you get a consistent experience across your apps. If Chrome won't stay as the default, don't worry. There are a few reliable fixes. First, make sure both Chrome and Windows are fully updated. Updates often include compatibility improvements that help the default settings stick. After updating, restart your computer to clear out anything that might be holding on to the old setting. Then, go back to Windows Settings, open Apps, choose Default Apps, select Google Chrome, and click Set Default again to reapply it. If you don't see Chrome listed as an option in the browser list, reinstall Chrome so Windows can detect it properly. Once it appears, repeat the Set Default step. A quick tip as you wrap up. Sometimes Windows may briefly show a prompt asking you to confirm your choice. Always choose Chrome and confirm. Also, if you use multiple user accounts on the same PC, you may need to set the default in each account. That's all you need to do to make Chrome your default browser on Windows. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more consistent browsing experience with your preferred browser front and center.